That the Maharashtra BJP has furnished crucial documents to the Madhav Chitale committee, which is investigating the irrigation scam. Now, these documents have been submitted to substantiate BJP's claims about the direct involvement of ministers in the multi-crore irrigation scam, particularly the Deputy Chief Minister and also the Water Resources Minister of Maharashtra. Megha Prasad is sharing more details with us. The BJP finally producing the documents, Megha, that they have been talking about for a while.
Well, yes, but you see, the documents that have been forwarded by the BJP or presented, submitted by the BJP before the Madhav Chitale committee today, they're not new documents. These are the documents that have been existing for quite some time in the public domain, and access to these documents was there with almost all the political parties. Now, the problem essentially was that the Madhav Chitale committee, the special investigating team that is looking into the irrigation scam, the terms of this committee were such that the committee was not in a position to accept these papers from outside. In fact, there were a lot of controversies around this committee when it was formed, because the committee did not even have the powers to investigate and interrogate. So, there was a lot of pressure that was built upon the government, especially on the Chief Minister. Finally, after a long time, the terms of reference of this committee was finally changed and changed around in such a manner that now the committee can accept these additional evidences from outside. And so the BJP has gone ahead